Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It is 10 a.m. right now, and the reason I'm starting a little late is because after I dropped off my daughter at school, I wanted to clean a little bit because tomorrow we are hosting Friendsgiving here, and I wanted to get that out of the way so I can focus on other things. I do need to go to Target to get some things, and I wanted to go check out Hobby Lobby because I have not been there to check out their Christmas decor, so we're gonna do that. And oh, I actually need to take out the turkey right now. So my camera died, but I did want to mention that I also took out the turkey a couple hours the day before. Do any of your dogs do this? I feel like she's a cat. She's always laying there. Aren't you, Churro? She's gonna be turning 1 in January. My big girl. And we're gonna actually throw her a little birthday party. This is what she does when she wants attention. She just barks. What? I know. I love you too. Okay, now we're really leaving.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
Okay, these are what I was looking for, because the hangers that I had in her room were the wire ones, and they actually don't fit on her hanger rod. So, but these should work.
This Christmas song. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorated.
Hey guys, we are back. So I actually didn't have time to go to Hobby Lobby because I forgot my daughter had a dentist appointment and I had to go pick her up from school after Target. And we just came back here for a little bit so she can have some lunch and brush her teeth really good. But let me show you what I got from Target. And this is what I got from Target. I got some Clorox bleach, a gingerbread house kit, and we're actually going to be doing that tonight. Okay, she's very excited. I just showed her it right now. And for Churro, I got a little harness and leash because she chewed hers up pretty bad. And I got this Murphy oil soap for the floors, and then this Method body wash for my husband. Let me know if you know if they make this for women because he really likes it. And the deodorant for Will, hand soap, and this body wash is for me and Emma. A refillable hand soap, and these hangers. I think I did tell you at Target that I needed new ones for her room because the ones that I had, and I have one right here, don't fit. See how it's the metal? It didn't fit. So hopefully these ones will work fine. Hopefully I have time today to put our clothes away. But we will see you after the dentist. Okay, so it's much later in the day. It's actually, what time is it? Like 7?
Yeah, around 7.
It's around 7 o'clock. So we are now doing the gingerbread houses. And we're gonna make some hot chocolate and watch a Christmas movie.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Right.
Hashtag. Oh, if there's any more frosting, I would like to eat that.
Okay. So our gingerbread house kept falling apart, so we just decided to decorate it piece by piece. And we actually did not get to watch the Christmas movie because after we took a shower, we were so tired we just fell asleep. And I did want to mention that I will be doing Vlogmas, but I won't be vlogging every day because I do work, and I work either 9 to 6 or 10 to 7. And I thought it would be a little boring to vlog on my working days, but I will be posting twice a week Vlogmas. Thank you.